In this video, I explain how to factory reset Samsung Smart TV. Today, we are going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Samsung TV. We're going to show you several methods for factory reset. Method 1. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now, don't be impatient. Here, wait for the 60 seconds. Then, plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If it not clears your problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. This is the last thing. Usually we'll do the trick, but this is a factory reset. We are gonna reset your TV. Press home or menu button on the remote. Go to the settings. Go to support. Go to self diagnostics. Click on reset, which solves your problems. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.